The following instruction will show you the correct placement of the pads for many conditions. The placement of the pads are exactly the same for both the 2 or the 4-pad Dr. Ho system. With the 2-pad system, you need to use both pads together. With the 4-pad system, you may choose to use either 2 or the 4 pads at the same time. For the fastest and the maximum recovery, treat yourself 3 to 5 times a day, at least 20 minutes at a time. Thank you for choosing Dr. Ho's muscle therapy system. Now to get started, place 2 AAA alkaline batteries into the back of the machine. Take your massage pads and peel off the clear plastic covering to expose the self-adhesive gel pads. Now place both pads onto your skin. Make sure your skin is clear of lotion, oil, or makeup. To turn the machine on, just turn the dial on the top, click it to the right. Now to increase the power, very slowly turn the dial to the right until you feel the electrical stimulation and some involuntary muscle movement. Now adjust the power to suit your own comfort level. To change your massage mode, simply press the larger round button here to go to the next massage mode. And for each massage mode, you can adjust the intensity for your own comfort level and the stimulation that you like. There's 3 massage modes, and each mode gives you at least 4 different treatments. And as you can feel, every few seconds, the stimulation will stop and a new stimulation will be provided for you. Now to change the timer, press it twice, and then the device will be preset to automatically shut itself off after 20 minutes. When finished, turn the power off and place the massage pad back into the storage tray. Now some of you may have purchased the optional FlexTone pads, those are the large adhesive pads, or the pair of the foot relief pads. Now to use them, simply unplug the wire from the regular size pads and then plug them into the back of the FlexTone pads. Or when you want to use the foot relief pads, just plug them into the side. There's a small hole in the side of the foot relief pads here. Push them in all the way. And now they're ready to be used. Now to use the foot relief pads, place them both on the floor. Make sure you take your socks or your nylons off. Place your feet on the pads. And then just turn the device on. And keep turning up the intensity until you feel the stimulation and the foot massage sensation. Now some of you may have a nerve problem in your feet and you get numbness. You may not experience any sensation initially. Turn the intensity up all the way, even though you don't feel anything, and keep it on for 10 or 20 minutes. After about 20 minutes of stimulation, the nerve's going to be activated, it's going to wake up, and you're going to start to experience that stimulation, and you will get your sensation back. Now, the regular size pads are great to use on any part of your body, but you must use them when you're treating your neck for neck pain or for headaches. Also, you must use them for treating your facial area. Now, the FlexTone pads, because they are much bigger, they are better for treating your large muscle groups like your upper shoulder, your lower back, hip, leg, even your knees. Now when you finish using the large flex tone pads, make sure you cover the self-adhesive gel with the clear plastic film when you're finished. Now for those of you who have our premium 4-pad machine, when you are using the large pads together with the small pads, it is normal to feel more power from the large flex tone pads. Also, it is normal to feel more stimulation from one side over the other side of your body. The self-adhesive gel pads are new. They will be moist and sticky. After you use them a few times, they will lose their moisture and their ability to stick to your skin properly. And the stimulation will become weak, and the sensation could actually be prickly. Now, before each use, dip your fingers in water, rub some water over the entire surface of the gel pad, wait about 30 seconds, and the water will activate the self-adhesiveness of the gel pads again, and then you can place them both onto your skin. Now, our device is extremely effective for treating headaches and neck pain. When you're treating migraine headaches, cervicogenic headaches, or tension headaches, place the pads on the top of the neck just below the hairline. Could you hold this, please? Now, when you're treating your neck or treating those points for your headaches, you have to be lying your back with a neck roll supporting your neck. As you can see, when you're sitting up, the pads will not stay on because of the contour of the neck. And when the machine causes the muscle to involuntarily contract, the movement will cause the pads to come off. So make sure when you're massaging your neck, you're lying your back with a neck roll supporting the base of your neck. Go ahead, lie down, please. In this position, your neck muscle can relax properly. The device will relax the muscle and stimulate the nerve and blood flow to your head to relieve your headaches. For treating your neck pain and stiffness of your neck, make sure you lay on your back, get yourself a neck roll, or just get a bath towel rolled up into a roll and support the base of your neck. Place the pads on the spot where you're having pain or stiffness, and then just lie on top of those pads. Now, it is extremely important for you to treat your neck in a laying down position because your neck muscle will not relax in a sitting position. In a laying down position, the postural muscle of the neck can relax totally and you will get extremely effective treatment. Now, to treat the tension across your shoulders, place one pad on each side of your shoulder. Now, some of you may have tension or pain that radiates up to your neck, into your head. Then, you can place one pad here and the second one on your neck. Now, remember, anytime you're treating your neck, you should be lying your back with a neck roll supporting your neck. Now, some of you also may have a pain right beside the shoulder blade. Then you can put one pad on the upper shoulder and the second pad right over the spot where you're having pain. Now, when you're treating the upper shoulders, you could sit against a chair or just put this under your shirt so the pad is held down by your shirt.